Today is Tuesday. Welcome, caterpillars. I'm so glad you're here. Today is Tuesday. We're going to learn about the number 3 today. And then afterwards, I want you to sort 2 and 3 items for me. All right, are you ready to start our calendar? This is our calendar. It is September. That is our month. And look at September's almost all filled up with numbers. So when we are done with September, we'll go to the month of October, and then we'll start all over again with these numbers. In every week, we have 7 days in our week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Monday, so that is today is Tuesday. Look at that. Today and Tuesday both begin with a t, t, t. Today is Tuesday. It is September. That is our month. And let's find out what number it would be. What is the date? That would go right here under Tuesday. So it comes after 28. Okay, you need a little mouse voice. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It is the 29th mirror. When I say mirror, you repeat. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. September 29th. 2020. All right, we look at our weather graph, but what's the weather? Look outside. What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny or is it cloudy or is it rainy outside? Is it windy or is it foggy or is it snowy outside? I looked out the window and do you know what I saw? I already moved this one over. I saw the clouds, just like this. There was a day that was so nice and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. I can look at my graph and I know there have been 1, 2, 3, 4 cloudy days so far in September. How many sunny days has there been? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Have we had any rainy days? Good job. 3 rainy days. How many windy days have we had? At least 1. There's not been any foggy days or any snowy days in our month of September yet. Okay, so we talked about the number 3. Remember when we started off with this one, we found 1? This was our number 1. Straight line down, then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. So I have 1 link. After 1, what happens if we add 1 to that? If we bring in 1 more, what do we have? We will have 2. Here is the number 2. 2 hearts, 2 on a dice, 1, 2, and I have 2 tally marks. This is our number 2. Okay, after 2, what number comes after 2? 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. So here is the number 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. I'm going to make that in the air, and I want you to make it with me, okay? I'm going to make it here so you can see it a little bit better. And then I want you to make a 3 for me. Okay, I always start at the top. I go around a tree, around a tree. Do you see how it's a curve and a curve? That is a 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it again. Give me 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. This is our number 3. So After 2 comes a number 3. We're going to listen to our 3 song, and then you guys are going to sort 2 and 3 items for me, okay? Let's sing our number song.
I can show the number 3 in many ways. Look and sing along and let's learn today. I can show the number 3 in many ways. I can show the number 3 as a picture, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 as a numeral, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 in a 5 frame, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 in a 10 frame, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 in many ways. I can show the number 3 with tally marks, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 on a number line, like this.
1, 2, 3.
I can show the number 3 as a word, like this.
2, 3.
I can show the number 3 on dice, like this.
1, 2, 3.
I can show the number 3 in many ways. I can show the number 3 on a domino, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 on fingers, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 as a picture, like this. 3. I can show the number 3 as a numeral, like this. 3.
Wow, did you love that? So there are many ways that you can make a 3. Have you made a 3 yet? You can make the numeral 3, and then you can make something that is 3 underneath. After that, I'm going to have you sort. Do you remember what we were going to do? We were going to sort 2 and 3. So I have to look down here, and I see up here, I have to look down here and decide where these should go. Into which group. I want all the things that are 2 in this blue group, because I have the number 2 up here. Over here, I want everything that is 3. All right, so I can look and I can move my things, okay? So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. Where would that go? Okay, then I'm going to move it over. Okay, I'm going to send this out. I want you to try it. All right, I can't wait to see it. Thanks, guys. 2, 3.